Hello friends, I am Dr. Urja Patel from the LJ Institutes of Applied Science. Today we are studying on a molecular spectra which is belong in a subject of Physical Chemistry 303 semester 5. In molecular spectra it is divided in a three part. First is a electronic spectra, second is a rotational spectra and third is a vibrational rotational spectra. According to the syllabus of Gujarat University, there are two spectrum is important. First is a pure rotational spectra and second one is a vibrational rotational spectra. So let's start from the pure rotational spectra. Pure rotational spectrum is observed in a polar molecule like HCl, HBr in which permanent dipole moment is observed. The molecule which have zero dipole moment such as H2, N2, D2, Cl2 etc. do not indicate rotational spectrum. Rotational spectrum is obtained due to the change in a rotational energy considering the diatomic molecule as a rigid rotator and using the wave mechanics. Rotational quantum number J can be obtained from the energy Ej through the following equation, where Ej is equal to h square upon 8 pi square I J into J plus 1, where h is equal to Planck constant. Its value is 6.627 into 10 raised to minus 27 erg, where I is equal to mu r square. I is denoted as a moment of inertia and where mu is equal to mass. Mu r square, mu is equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, which is derived from the theory of rigid rotator. If there is a presence of molecule, we have to divide the value with the Avogadro number. And where J is equal to rotational quantum number, it is start from the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Similarly, equation for the J prime rotational quantum number, Ej prime is as follow. Ej prime is equal to h square upon 8 pi square I J prime into J prime plus 1. If the transition take place from J to J prime, the difference between the two energy level is Ej minus Ej prime. While putting the value of both the energy h square upon 8 pi square I J into J plus 1 minus h square upon 8 pi square I into J prime plus 1. But the difference of rotational transition delta J is equal to J minus J prime is equal to 1. J is equal to J, so J is equal to J prime plus 1. While putting the value of this J in the above equation, we get the following equation. Either h square upon 8 pi square I is common, where J prime plus 1 plus 1 minus J prime plus 1. By solving the equation, J prime plus 1 is common and in the square bracket we get the J prime plus 1 minus J prime, and this plus J prime and minus J prime is cancelled. So the equation become h square upon 8 pi square I into J prime plus 1 multiplied by 2. And 2 multiplied by 4 we get the 8. So the equation become h square upon 4 pi square I J prime plus 1, and also we indicated J prime plus 1 is equal to J. So the equation of rotational quantum number is equal to h square upon 4 pi square I into J. Normally energy is equal to h nu, where nu is equal to C upon lambda. And the equation of energy become hc upon lambda, where 1 upon lambda is equal to wave number. It is indicated as a nu bar. From comparing both the equation of energy, so we get the hc nu bar is equal to h square upon 4 pi square I into J, where nu bar wave number is equal to h square upon 4 pi square I hc into J. From the value of this nu bar, we get the value of moment of inertia. And if we find out the value of moment of inertia, we can find the R from the following equation, where I is equal to mu R square. Mu is indicate the mass and R is indicate the bond length and internuclear distance between the two atoms. So if we find out the value of R between the two atom, distance between the two atom, R is equal to under square root of I upon mu. Now we start the another theory. It is a vibrational rotational spectrum. Vibrational rotational spectrum can also be indicated by the polar molecule. This kind of spectrum is observed in the 1000 to 3000 angstrom wavelength in IR region. The group of close line is observed in the spectrum, so it is known as a vibrational rotational spectra. Here diatomic molecule is considered as a two small spheroid attached with the spring. And if we two atom of the diatomic molecule oscillate like the vibration, then according to the Hund rule, the force F, which is active to obtain equilibrium state, is directly proportional to the X, where F is proportional to X. For remove the proportionality, we add the force constant, and this minus sign indicate force is opposite to the direction, where K is equal to force constant. According to the wave mechanics, the value of oscillation energy E nu for the oscillation quantum number nu bar is obtained from the following equation, where E nu is equal to nu plus 1 by 2 Hc mu bar 0, where mu is equal to oscillation quantum number and mu 0 bar is equal to original oscillation amplitude number. C is equal to velocity of light, H is equal to Planck constant. Its value will taken in a erg. If the value of nu is 0, we get the E nu is equal to 1 upon 2 Hc mu 0 bar. This energy is known as a 0 point energy of a diatomic molecule. Thus, at absolute temperature, instead of cyclic or distance velocity, only oscillation energy exists, and for the wave oscillation quantum number E mu prime is obtained from the following equation, where E mu prime is equal to mu prime plus 1 by 2 into Hc mu 0 bar, where between the difference between the two vibrational level of energy, we get the E mu minus E mu prime, and while putting the value of both the energy in the equation, mu plus 1 by 2 Hc mu 0 bar minus mu prime plus 1 by 2 Hc mu 0 bar. Then after common the Hc mu bar 0 from the above equation, in the square bracket we get nu plus 1 by 2 minus mu prime minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is cancelled, so we get Hc mu 0 bar in the bracket mu minus mu prime, where mu minus mu prime is equal to 1, so the energy of oscillation energy is Hc mu 0 bar. While if the oscillation transition is mu to mu prime and rotational transition J to J prime occurs simultaneously, so total change in the energy delta E is equal to vibrational energy minus rotational energy. By putting the value of vibrational energy is Hc mu bar 0 minus h square upon 4 pi square I into J. And normally we have known that energy is equal to H nu, nu is equal to C upon lambda, and 1 upon lambda is equal to wave number is equal to Hc mu bar. While comparing all the three equation of energy, where Hc mu bar is equal to Hc mu bar 0 plus or minus h square upon 4 pi square I into J. Now divide the whole the equation with the Hc, we get mu bar is equal to mu bar 0 in plus or minus h square upon 4 pi square I h c into j. In the above equation, if we take mu 0 in place of n mu 0, where n is indicate the original harmonic bands are obtained, which start from the 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we get the following equation where the mu bar is equal to n mu 0 bar plus or minus h square upon 4 pi square I h c into j. Now from the value of this wave number, we can easily identify the value of moment of inertia, and from the value of moment of inertia we can easily find out the distance between the two molecules or wavelength between the two molecules. From these two theory, we can conclude that from this theory we can easily find out the value of moment of inertia as well as wavelength or internuclear distance between the two atoms.